YouTube, what it do? Man, it's your boy. Don't do it to him. Lakes already did it to him. Listen, man, I finally found the carburetor kit. You feel me? Let me drop y'all down, son. Get y'all. They might be coming down the block. If y'all hear the ambulance, my bad. Something going on up the street, and they just came flying down here. So, but all right, man. We found the carburetor kit. It's a Holly trick kit. I think it's a universal. I called this one spot called Performance Warehouse. I forgot about them. My brother Joe, we went there a couple of times. I forgot. Terry told me about them. I called. They don't want who had it in stock, so I picked it up. Went to work. We had a lot of extra people. They asked me to go home. Came home. So as you can see on the table right now, man, I got everything laid out. And we about to, oh yeah, it's definitely going on. I don't know if y'all see the lights flashing. Yeah, something going on down the street. But I'm gonna make an attempt to rebuild it. So the problem is, I actually think my car is good. It's just one part, which is, hopefully ain't no gas in there, which is this part right here. This is where the gas was leaking from. I can hit them 4 screws, take that off, and it's a gasket that sits there. So I know I could take that out and probably be done with it, but I think I want to tear it into it. I never really tore it into a carburetor. I know it's 4 bolts. 4 bolts on each bowl. I could take those out and change the gaskets in there. At least I could do. Other than that, digging so far in it, trying to switch out the pins and stuff, I don't even think I need to. So alright, first thing first, what I'm gonna do is get some steel wool and clean this bad baby up, because it is dirty, it's filthy. It got overspray on it from the painters. The engine was covered, but it's still a lot of overspray on it. So I got some steel wool. I'm gonna clean it up. I got my laptop right here. Let me show y'all. I got it updating, man. I haven't used it in so long. You know, when you don't use your stuff, it start moving slow. That's exactly what's going on. So it's updating. That way, if I get stuck, I could go to the #1 teacher, which is YouTube. So using this steel wool, I'm just trying to cover up this bowl, son. I don't want none of these particles to fly in there. I don't think it would do any harm because it probably just blow straight through. But let's be safe. Alright. Man, this steel wool come in handy. Shall I take? Let's see what it do. Is it cleaning it up? Oh, it's definitely cleaning it up. Boy, steel wool clean up everything, y'all. Literally. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Get all that overspray. Give it that aluminum shine. And clean up one half. You know what? I got that brush. I got a wire brush too, y'all. Hold up, maybe that would work. Finally, I had a bunch of them. See if I can find one real quick. Alright, y'all, I'm going ahead and say forget it. I had it out somewhere. I don't know where I put it, so I'm going to say forget it. I got a whole pack of them somewhere. Yeah, I didn't think about it till now. That would be perfect to get up in the corners with that, with the brush. But this will work fine. So what's going on, my good peoples? That's just love right scrub. This boy look 1,000 times better. Dang, look at that before and after. That might be my thumbnail picture right there. Dang, where my phone at? Oh yeah, big time. That's, if y'all see this, it's a big difference, y'all. Put the flash on with that one. Let's see. Yeah, alright. So I'm making an attempt. This is my first time. I did watch like a YouTube video on it, but man, my man was doing more talking than anything, so I'll turn the video off. Alright. 4 bolts, she said 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's a drain out, right? This works. Alright, y'all. Let's I didn't bring none of my tools. Alright, let me stop y'all, go get my tools, and we gonna crack this open. Give me a second, too. YouTube, what it do? I'm back. Man, I was watching a couple of videos, man. To be honest, when I was looking at my car, man, everything is so tight and fastened down that I don't think I want to break it open. So I'm gonna save all my gaskets and all that for this kit, and just worry about the one problem I have, which is where the gas leaking from. So I'm gonna continue cleaning this up real quick, have it looking good, and then I'm gonna change that pump. I don't even know what the name. I don't know nothing. Let me zoom y'all out for a second. And I mean, I don't know nothing about carburetors. I don't know nothing. Brighten it up a little bit. It's getting a little dark. I'm losing sunlight, y'all. So I don't. You know what? I feel like I need to use something right there. So I don't even use that line. So maybe that's causing the vacuum leak. I don't know. I hope not. Let's see what this fit on there. I feel like that should be plugged up. That goes to, if I'm not mistaken, to power booster, power brake booster. I don't have that on the 6.4, so let's see if I can plug it up. Oh yeah. Alright, plug that up. I don't know what that helped or anything, but alright. Get back to clean this up real quick. And this boy look 1,000 times better shined up. I had red overspray on it everywhere. It was looking horrible. So whenever y'all want to polish up like y'all aluminum or anything like that, steel wool or a little steel wire brush. No scratches on it whatsoever. They look good. Alright, that's good enough for now. Alright, let's clean that off. That's my clean off. Alright, let's go, big boy. Baby back over here. Still wool. Big old mosquito. Got him. Yep, he gone. Alright, set that there. So these was the gaskets that I was gonna replace, but like I said, man, this carb is so put together, so it's in there. It's no leaks, so I'm not gonna mess with it. So I'm gonna save that off to the side for when it's time to fully rebuild it. That's what we would do. And 9 out of 10, we'll get to that. But as of now, let's focus on that one little thing, which is alright. There's no gas in there, so it's safe to move it around. I made sure I dumped it. This right here, this is what I'm worried about. Let me zoom y'all in. This part right here. This where the gas was leaking out. That's another one. We got 4 screws right here. And I'm gonna unscrew it, and then replace it with the gasket. It is a certain gasket there from what I'm looking at. And actually, I don't even think I have that gasket. It actually looks like it's this. It might be this. Okay, let's see. Let's screwdriver. Screwdriver. Alright, let's see what we need. These are too big. So man, we hit 20,000 subscribers. I said that in the last video. I just showed the wifey. She's like, we gotta do these shots. She crazy, y'all. We gonna do something. I don't know. I still don't know about no 20 shots, y'all. That's crazy. A couple of them, maybe. Oh, this way too big. I need something smaller than that. So maybe that was a good fit. Okay. Oh, that light damn super low, like it's about to cut off. My garage light went out, man. I had a nice bright LED light, man. It went out recently. So I'm back to using these generic boys. And they look like it's not about to hold up much longer. And that, oh, I'm sorry, y'all can't even see why I ain't saying that. That screw, these screws is coming out super loose. Could that be the problem? I'm here now. It's like no effort to get these screws loose. I don't know. Maybe that was the problem, y'all. They vibrated loose. I can't. You know what? Let me go get my light, y'all. Cause I need more light than that. Oh man, I ain't know it's 10 o'clock, y'all. Kids about to go to my mom's house, their grandmother's house. Me and the wifey about to chill, you feel me? So I got my light on my head, y'all, so I can see what's going on in here. I can definitely see. Like I said, these screws was not on tight at all. So maybe that's what could have been a problem. Cause I mean, that gas was pouring out. It was pouring out, y'all. Mind you, I never done this before, so I don't know what's going on. Okay, I see it's a spring in there. Okay. So that is what I thought it was. Okay, I'm gonna keep that like that. I'm gonna I need something to pop that up. You know, I'm gonna sit it back down. Hopefully the spring stay. Okay. I'm gonna clean up some screws too. Oh, maybe it just wore out. Okay, so that push up into that. Do we got a number on there? Let me know what it is. I guess, yeah, I guess it wore out over time. So let me show y'all. This is the old one, I'm guessing. Come on, let me focus. Let me get y'all to focus. This was the old one. I'm guessing it wore all the way down. And this is the replacement. See how it's bumped up? Old. I'm trying to get it side by side. There we go. Old and new. So maybe it just got real flat to the point where it wasn't doing what it's supposed to do. So what side do it go on? The cup is down. Okay, this way. Yep, I think that's it, like that. Alright, let me clean off these screws. Actually, I'm cleaning all that off with that wire brush. I'll put it first, let's wipe it down. Alright, y'all, that might have been a real simple fix, to be honest. And while I'm at it, I'm definitely going to put it on tonight. Okay, so that's clean. Computer updating. The mosquitoes coming out now, boy. Look at it's another one. Out of there. So I'm just hitting these little screws, cleaning them up. Alright, clean the top, got a lot of gas and oil mixture on them. Wipe them off. And I think, man, after that, everything should be smooth. I'm gonna put that boy back on. And see, I can't take it to Terry tonight, man. We don't got the headlights. I wish I could drop it off to him in the morning. Let me take the picture of that. That's what I gotta do. Take a picture side by side. Oh yeah, that was smushed all the way down. I think that's a simple fix, y'all. Let me back y'all out. I think it's a simple fix, literally. This was the old one, this the new one. You can see a big difference. Alright. Okay, now let's reassemble. Let's reassemble, y'all. My bad, y'all. I didn't lock the camera. I ain't mean to do that. So, let's reassemble this bad baby. Just a new piece. We're gonna sit you down in there. Lift up the card. Y'all getting this? The boy doing it for real, for real. Okay. Oh, let's clean that up. Let's clean that up. Again. Oh, the spring. Okay. I'm glad I didn't want to lose that. Alright, we good. Now this way the spring is. Alright. Like that. There we go. Something about like that. Just gotta sit on top of that. tricky right here. Sit on that right there. Next to the gasket. That's what we gotta make sure that's lined up. I'm liking it. Right there. That's perfect. That's perfect. Ooh. Oh, trying to look back at y'all messing up. What I do? Come on now, get in there. Alright. This one. Dead center. Put you in there. That's there. Okay, still moving a little bit. There we go, right there. That's perfect. Hold it right there. Don't you move. Look, my mom pulling up. Dropping down some. I see you moving. Lift you back up. There we go. Alright. Alright, y'all. We're gonna add the last screw and then tighten them down. They had them semi-loose. I don't think I like that semi-loose. I don't know if it was a reason, but I'm gonna snug them up. Not too tight. I guess that would throw something off, but there we go. I gave it, after you tighten it, I just gave it one over. Alright, that was 2. 1, 2, 2. Alright. Give it some throttle. Oh, I see. I think that's why you don't tighten it all the way. I don't know, maybe since that's how much resistance it's supposed to be. It's not loose, it's not wobbling. Did twist this nut a couple times. Hopefully they don't. Alright, y'all. We did it. Look at this boy. Let me turn the light off for y'all can see. We did it. We cleaned it up. We replaced that. Oh, where is it? I lost it somewhere over here. We replaced that. Cleaned it up, replaced it. So the part we replaced was this. Let me focus in. So y'all see how it's flat? The new one we put in was pushed up, so it was pushed up. This boy was like smushed in, so I guess that's what caused the whole gas to leak out. So alright, we don't have no light out there, but I will try to set y'all up and get footage of me reinstalling it. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Yeah, hey, make sure y'all hit that like, leave your boy some comments, some motivation, because I don't even know if it's just gonna work or not. But we'll see when you get to that point. Alright, cheer. Alright, too, look, mom just came by, picked up the kids. It's time for me to clean this mess up, and then we're gonna take the carb, take it to the back, and we're gonna proceed with the installation. Finger crossed that everything goes good. I install everything back to the fullest that I remember. I took pictures. So, hey, I love this. I love it. Alright, YouTube, what it do, man? We made it to the back. Fortunately, it's like extremely dark out here. Let me see. Yeah, that's how dark it is out here. So I'm just do a little work. Actually, probably not, cause I don't want to keep blinding y'all with this light. So I'm gonna throw it on, and once I get everything on, I'm just gonna come back and show y'all what all I did. And if y'all don't know, hey, listen, boy had to bring the strap out. You know what I'm saying? It's dark out here, all type of stuff running around. So they ain't about to catch me lacking. You feel me? Not about to catch me lacking. Alright, too, so give me a minute to throw this stuff on, and I'm gonna come back at y'all in a minute. Cheers. Okay, too, listen, man, it's coming along A1. So the thing I really gotta do is hook up the spring to wherever I think I took it apart from. I want to say it was there somewhere. I might can't do this while holding y'all. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I don't think I can. Or was it down here? No, that's for the accelerator. Alright, don't know where I disconnect my springs from. That's where I say take a picture of the breakdown for you could know. So I'm just showing y'all right now. I got my my gas line is hooked up. They in there tight. I hooked up my choke and make sure that the gas line is tight back here. Nothing's in the way. My loom is good. Carb on there, snug down. Once I hook this spring together, I think we'd be ready to test it out, to be honest. So alright, let me look at that big old mosquito. Dang! It's probably gonna fly straight to my face. I got this light on. Let me set y'all back on the tripod. Then I'm gonna connect the springs. Then go in there and get the key. And I think it's gonna be time to fire it up. Alright, give me a second, y'all. Alright, too, there we go. We got that boy. We got it together. I know it's probably hard for y'all to see it, but boom, it's there. And it look exactly like, I don't think I'll be able to get the picture, y'all. It's because I got the camera brightness up. I got a light on my head. But there we go. So it literally looked just like this. So I'm going off the picture on my phone, and I got it dialed in for sure. So next step, I'm finna run in the house, get the keys, do another little walkthrough, make sure ain't no stuff in the way, move my phone, move my lights. I had lights everywhere, y'all. And most importantly, let's move gold dust. Let's move gold dust from up out of there. You know what I'm saying? Just in case someone want to act crazy out here. That's where he be coming from, over here somewhere. Let me show y'all what would have happened. He would have popped out with him with a couple of... Woohoo! Alright, let's put those down. Put that bad baby down. Gold dust. That was my first paintball gun I bought. And spent hundreds on a lot of them. Alright. Oh, no. Let's take this up out of there. Put that filter on. Let's throw the air cleaner on. Well, I don't know why I say air cleaner, air filter. Oh, speaking of filter, it's dirty. Oh, my old work shirt. Just give it a little wipe. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Oh, don't drop that. I'll sit you right there. Alright, y'all. I feel confident about this. Actually, I can start it up with it off. You know what? I'm gonna keep it off just in case. Yeah, let's do that. Let's keep it off. Keep the nut there, keep that there, move that. Alright, too, I'm about to go get the key, and then I'm gonna set y'all up while I try to fire this bad baby up. Yeah. Make sure y'all give your boy some feedback, man. I truly appreciate it. And most definitely hit that subscribe button. And we gotta chop it up and figure out what we're gonna do for hitting 20K subscribers, but I don't know about no 20 shots, y'all. So give me a second. Chill. YouTube, what it do? Got this boy going. I got it at 1,000. It still sound like it's idling kind of high. Kind of idle down some. Oh yeah. There we go. We good. No leak. Oh no, that's too low. Speed it up a little bit more. Got that right there. I like that. Alright man, we all set. Your boy did it. This sounds real healthy now. Oh my god. This way was leaking at, no leak. Let's check over here. No leak. No leak. Oh, wait a minute. A little wet back there, okay. Let's tighten that side up one time. Okay. We up to temp too. Holding at 1,000. Whoa. Okay. I did feel like a little wetness on this back end right here, so let's grab our 17 and I'm gonna give it another turn. Get up in there. But yeah, man. Oh shoot, don't want to strip it. Don't want to strip that. All right, there we go. It turned. All right. That's it. That is it, my good peoples. Unfortunately, it's nighttime and I won't be able to get this car to Terry's house. Yeah. Wow. Okay, I never done nothing like this a day in my life. I didn't even think I was capable of doing something like this, to be honest. We're gonna go ahead and let that cool down. Oh shoot, don't do that. Drop that in this way. Oh yeah. Where you at? Right there. Yep. Perfect. Wow, here we go, y'all. Your boy did it. It's firing up good. It's running good now. I got it idling good. Shoot, that's it. Wow. Alright, y'all. I mean, unfortunately your boy done lost the daytime, but we got it done, man. Let me get some feedback. It's running good. Now that carburetor, I'm telling y'all, that boy seems dangerous. Just off that little, I'm not even giving it full throttle. I'm just tapping it in the car, just like it's ready to go. So she back there, man. So next time we'll be doing a video, we'll be taking this boy to Terry. Hopefully Terry get on it right away, because man, today I passed so many car shows, man. My heart was hurting. But all right, man, let me get in here, get in the shower, chop it up with the wifey. Man, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, man. Let me know what you think about it. I'm loving it, guy. All right, man, it's your boy. Don't do it to him till I already did it to him. I'm on you. Chill.